Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your text 3D in Cinema 4D, which is the application or a program where you can design in 3D. So, to make the text, simply click on the uppercase T button, which is text spline, and then you just type anything you want, for instance, tongue creative, like this. And then the text is created. To make it 3D, or to make the text have the depth that you want, simply hold the left click button on the subdivision surface button, and then you head over to extrude and then let the left click button go like this, and then drag the text at the center of extrude, and then there you go. It's 3D now. You can adjust the depth by dragging the slider on the right side of offset like this. Cool, it's been created. Now you can adjust the color or the look of the 3D shape or the 3D text that we just created using material. Click on material manager and then click the plus button to add new material, and then you just drag the material onto extrude, which is the 3D shape. You can do anything you want. For instance, you want to bring brightness to the text by clicking on luminance like this, and then you hold in Ctrl and R button so that a render preview is created like this. You can also make it transparent like glass by clicking on transparency, for instance. And then when you click Ctrl and R, it looks like glass. Ah, isn't it fancy? You can add in some lighting by clicking on target light. The light target is the area of the lighting that the light shines on. You can adjust the brightness by tweaking the intensity of the lighting as you wish, or something like that. And then you can adjust the lighting as you like this. And then as we're doing another preview, Ctrl R. Ooh, it looks so glossy. Oh my goodness. Let's zoom in again. Ooh, yeah, it looks really glossy and transparent. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make text 3D in Cinema 4D. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and get yourself subbed up by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified on our tutorial videos to come. But from me, it's good day. Ciao.